Hokepsa Margaret Gesare nigo bona ene kiringa nigo aborokiwa be grade gya kianda nigo bari tayari haso gotemwa gwa Kenya Junior School Education KCSEA kao kwa na Soko TV hase sukuru ya Bisam Academy imeye ward ya township ense moye bunge West Mugirango ase county yo Gesare nigo bona ene kiringa hekero gotemuko kurache gukoreka no mweri wo mutenyo gocha nigo CHISUKURU cyabanyene cyari ndi aborokiwa ase Chisemi cyebyorokerayo
Ekero motienyo yo mabweka utigarete bose yo wamatemo amatangani inse ya CBC grade 9 ayuwa manyakaine muna Kenya Junior School Education Assessment KCC kokoreka nigo moteneri we CHISUKURU cyabanyene kipsa imeye county ya Nyamira Margaret Gesare arerenga nigo beyariganiriye bya sogotemwuko.
My name is Margaret Gesare. I'm the proprietor Bisam Academy. I'm the chair Nyamira Private Schools Association. Now, as far as grade 9s are concerned, we are really prepared and ready, and the children are ready for the exam. Like here, you can see them busy with their practicals in the lab, in our laboratory. And most private schools have set up labs for these subjects that need experiments, and the children are having it hands-on. I'm telling you, when they come to senior school, you'll be surprised to find that they know more than you imagine they know. All schools are all prepared and ready for the assessments which are coming at the end of next month.
Gesare uyorebo igo monyene bwe school ya Bisam Academy me ye ward ya township me Nyamira nigo ene kiringa CHISUKURU nabo igo aborokiwa bare CHISUKURU cyabanyene igo baragendere gukorya biyago cya ankyo asokugekerwa biyasa masomo ye byorokereryo.
Now I would encourage parents in the private sector, we are doing so well. We have invested quite a lot. As far as laboratories are concerned, as far as libraries are concerned, we are up to the game. As far as teachers handling these students are concerned, we have trained and qualified teachers ready, and they have supported these children. You will tell us by the end of the 12th grade, you'll be able to attest that children who have come from private schools are really outshining their counterparts from the public schools. Bisam Academy, we are really prepared and ready for the assessments that are coming at the end of next month. We have about 42 candidates and they are all prepared.
My
name is Cecilia Ogwara Kirubo. I'm from Bisam School. I'm in grade 9 and we are all prepared as candidates of this year. We want to do that exam because we have done tele-revision with all our teachers in all basic subjects.
Buga, and I'm a grade 9 student from Bisam School, and I'm well prepared for this exam.
Bosio bogo temo konne gwa grade 9 nigo CHISUKURU boy go chiabene chiagendere ko bachiko yarigania iriyo kwene kingango chiko korea chire biyaso go temo ko kora korekana yari tangani hase ekarikira mwenye ya Kenya. Ingo reporter ya Soko TV rietala Nyariki Steven Embonde.